pieces. Go up a level. Yay, I win!
Oh.
Hi, I'm Rae.
And I'm Dad.
And today, we will be telling you about a story of when we visited Stonehenge, too.
Yeah, so we went out this summer over the 4th of July weekend and went to a place called Bandera, Texas. And while we were out there, we visited a couple places. One we already have a video on, which is the Natural History Museum that was there. But then we also went and visited this place called Stonehenge too, and it was a real trip. So we look forward to showing it to you.
Yep, and make sure to enjoy.
Behind me is Stonehenge 2, and you can see they actually have an Easter Island head as well. It's a pretty cool park we found in the town of Ingram. So it's just outside Kerrville, and it's pretty spectacular looking. So let's go ahead and go take a look. So here's the Easter Island head replica. And there is Stonehenge 2. So we'll go take a look at the board and see what it says about this. So as we walk over to the board, it says, "Welcome to Stonehenge 2, built in 1989. And why they did this? Do we know why they stands in the middle? Beautiful there. Huh. It's actually a theater district here. So there are some theaters here where they do outdoor plays. And I think they're over in that direction. Oh, there's another Easter Island statue. And if we keep looking to the right, looks like there's a gallery over there, and there's the main building with a gift shop, a tourist center, and of course, ever needed restrooms. And as we look around, and in a circle around here, we can come back to Stonehenge 2. So there's baseball fields behind Stonehenge 2 as well. So pretty random thing to find out here in the middle of Texas Hill Country. This feature, so they said it's 90% as wide and 60% as high. So it's only about half as high as the actual structure, but it's almost as wide as the original Stonehenge in the UK. So as we walk in, you can see the size here. Whoa, it's pretty cool. Huh. It's very unique and not something we'd see in too many other places. Look at this. Oh, there's even a little bench in the middle. I wonder if they actually have that in the real Stonehenge. Oh, and there's a rock on the other side. So I wonder if this lines up with is it the solstice that these things line up with? The summer solstice? I wonder if this actually lines up with the summer solstice. Like they do in the original Stonehenge. I think that's right anyways. I haven't watched a show on Stonehenge in a really long time. But pretty cool. So somebody took a lot of time to do a lot of this work. It's really awesome. All right, so there we go. That's Stonehenge 2. We'll go ahead and keep walking around and taking a look. So if I move this around, you can see the scale behind me of these things. They're pretty large. So they're much larger than what I expected them to be, actually, even though these are still only 60% as tall. So basically the actual Stonehenge would be almost twice as tall as we're seeing behind me, which are, if I stand up against this for scale, you'll see it gets pretty tall. I mean, they're pretty far up there. They're at least twice my height here. So yeah, pretty impressive. Right. So as we walk around, there's a little stone over here. I wonder what these stones. So these are made out of, looks like the local limestone that we see all over this region. And this is also a piece of local limestone. I'm going to walk through this archway here. Oh, pretty cool. Yeah, so I took a slab of the local limestone and put it up as a marker in between these two central, between the central arch. Wow. Well, this was a pretty unusual thing to find out here in Hill Country, and pretty cool.
Okay guys, so we are going to be telling you about Stonehenge and like what we thought about it. So,
Stonehenge 2.
Stonehenge 2, yeah, number 2. I do wish it was the real Stonehenge. That's the only bad thing about it. Otherwise, it was really cool. I loved the artwork. I want to give credit to the person that made that, because that must have taken a long time, because, well, I do art, and a lot of times my art pieces, they can take a while, but for that, I want to give credit to the person that made that, because that would have taken a long time.
Totally agree with Rae. It is a very unique site to go see. The sculpture work that was done there had to take a lot of time. Plus they have the 2 Easter Island heads that I thought were really cool. There are other things in that area as well. There's a series of art galleries, and it sounds like they have art projects for families when it's all open, but it was closed because it was 4th of July. I would recommend checking out Stonehenge 2 if you're out in that direction, because it is so unique. It's something that's a pretty one-of-a-kind thing that you can run across. One of those neat roadside attraction ideas. Seeing it at 90% the size and 60% the height is still, it's amazing how large it is, and it would be really neat to go see the real one someday out. I think it's in Wiltshire, England, out in the UK. So someday that'll have to be on our bucket list, and hopefully we can take you all with us to go see that. So with that, I recommend going there if you're in the area. And so that's in Texas Hill Country area, outside of Kerrville, Texas.
So yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And once you subscribe, press the bell icon for notifications when we post a new video. And most of all, enjoy.